Hello to all my friends out there. So let me take my pineapple upside down cake and flip it on top of my plate, because this is one of those things that's better if you do it right away. Okay, so what I've been doing, and this has been working really, really good, is I've been making ooh, yummy, look at this. Okay, that's my pineapple upside down cake. And I have some leftover green tea because I want to enjoy life. Okay, so this video is my #1 strategy for saving money. Okay, my #1 strategy for saving money is to micromanage all my money. That means I'm going to be very, very cheap with all my money and all my resources. Okay, so today I was walking 2 hours a day, and they had this pineapple on sale at Walmart for $1, and it's a big can, 20 ounces. So I go, oh, I'm going to buy that. Well, you might be thinking to yourself, well, big effing deal, right? Well, it is if you don't have that much money. Okay, earlier today I made this Jell-O 1/2 box with 1/2 cup crushed pineapple. Yeah, 1/2, and then I put 1/2 cup crushed pineapple on my cake. I made a half batch, and I have this much left. So where I'm coming from with this is, you know, some people, you know, getting the Trump food boxes. If you get fruit, you know, be careful with your fruit. Don't waste your fruit. What I did is in the last video, I had Jell-O and cottage cheese. I bought a big container of cottage cheese for 99 cents at Aldi's, and that can count for a fruit and a dairy. And this is going to be a good little cake. Okay, so now the thing about the cake. Okay, so now once you get your stockpile going, here's the recipe. This is an old-fashioned recipe. You have the big can of shortening from Walmart, and I fried my tortillas in that last night. Brown sugar, I usually get the 2-pound bag. 4 slices pineapple. I made a half batch of this cake, so I just use about, I don't know, maybe a cup. Shortening. Cakes and cookies that call for shortening are cheaper. Sugar, vanilla, 1 egg. If you don't have eggs, you can buy these at Walmart, which is good. You'll never be out of eggs. I've used these before. They work good. You can buy eggs at Dollar Tree, 8 for $1. Flour in the stockpile, baking powder, salt, and milk. Okay, for the milk, what I use, ooh, there went the Jell-O. Oh, where's the milk? I use the powdered milk from Walmart. My refrigerator is so jam full, I can't find anything. I like this kind. Or you can use evaporated milk. So, okay, so the #1 strategy is to be very, very careful with your resources. All of your resources. You know, watch what you're doing with your gas, you know. Don't be senselessly driving, you know, all the gas out of your car. I hang all my clothes. You've seen me do that. If my clothes are heavily soiled, and sometimes, you know, I live by the freeway. The hems of my pants get really, really dirty. So if you've been following me, you've seen me wash out the hems so that I can do. Ooh, this is going to be good. Let me show you. Ooh. This is a dirt cheap dessert, and it's good too. I'm not saying be miserable, don't have any desserts. And I bought this so you know, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking extra pains to be extra cheap, super cheap, even cheaper than I already am, even more crazy cheaper than I already am. One of the followers, I can't find the cover to my cookbook. Oh, here it is. One of the followers was able to find this cookbook. So if you use, you know, instead of paying $1 for a cake mix, if you learn how to make them, and I didn't use an electric mixer either. What I did is I creamed the sugar and the, where is that recipe? You know, instead of making a big deal when you're making things or baking, and then you can do it over and over. Okay, what I did is I creamed the shortening, the brown sugar, and then I added the pineapple, set that aside. Okay, this is the part I wanted to mention. I creamed the shortening and the white sugar together. I mixed the egg, the vanilla, the baking soda, the salt, and the milk. I mixed that, and then I added that to my cream, shortening, and white sugar, and then I sifted my my flour in little by little. And so your cake is not going to fail you that way. And you know, baking powder, I get a new one every, I don't know, 6 months. If you ever need buttermilk, just add 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon to your milk. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.